I think of Joanne and I think immediately of strength and character.
I think of Joanne as a towering presence in the aerospace industry.
Joanne's greatest accomplishment is Joanne herself.
I first met Joanne in the 1980s when she was a young engineering project manager, and I watched her progress to become an executive. Earlier in her career, I can't recall a single company in the industry which had a senior female executive of her stature. So in some ways, she was a pathfinder of the top 4 engineering and aerospace companies in the industry. 2 of them are now headed by women CEOs.
I had the pleasure of being on Joanne's team. And what does that mean? That means it's analogous of being able to be in the NBA on one of the outstanding teams. Joanne was our coach and leader on and off the court. She drove her team. She awarded excellence. She pulled us all together to be our best and to achieve operational excellence as a company.
The beauty with Joanne, you didn't have to guess because she was very candid, authentic. Her constant desire to learn and challenge her people to always strive for that excellence in technical performance will set her apart.
She was able to show in no uncertain terms that it doesn't matter where you come from, what your gender is. If you have the right skills and you have character, the strength of leadership, then you can change things and make things work.
She oversaw the largest space and missile systems portfolio of any company in the world. She had in there military satellites, Earth observation satellites, communication satellites. She had missile defense systems. She was involved in overseeing missions to Mars, missions to Jupiter, and all sorts of other things that are not widely publicized. In addition to that, Joanne was special in her societal impact. She was very much involved in helping encourage young women engineers in science and technology.
One of the things that Joanne has done that's really been beneficial for the School of Engineering is her service on the Dean's Advisory Council. So she really has a view that encompasses everything from what you do while you're in school, what you do when you get out of school, and what you do when you're at the top of the organization to make things work.
She came from a large family, graduated as an engineer, excelled in guidance, navigation, and control engineering, worked her way up the engineering ranks, had 2 beautiful children to mentor and grow, and then worked her way up through the leadership ranks and finally became the executive vice president of a major Fortune 500 aerospace company. She's a role model for others to follow.
One of my great regrets in my career as I look back is that I somehow found a way to allow her to escape from Northrop Grumman to go to Lockheed. Now, Lockheed Martin is a fine company. It's obviously a partner of ours over time and a competitor. But I always said it was a lot more fun to work with Joanne on something than to have to compete against her.
Joanne challenged many people, and many people are in the positions they are today because of that stretch, that bar that she put in front of you. If you obtained it, all of us have a job today because of Joanne Maguire.